Hello everyone, welcome once again to DD Classroom. I hope you all are doing well. Today our subject is mathematics, lesson number 3, topic is integers, standard 6. So let's go. Integers. We have to count objects in order to find out the answer how many. We write the count of things in the form of numbers. Let's discuss it with the help of an example. Observe this picture. How many mangoes you can see in the picture? 3 mangoes, right? You can say it by counting the number of mangoes. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that we have used till now for counting are called counting numbers. They are also called natural numbers. The things which are available in nature can be counted, hence we call them natural numbers. Natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 1000, 10 crore, this list never ends. Again move to our example. Out of 3 mangoes, you eat 1 in the morning. Now, if I ask how many mangoes remain with you? By normal subtraction, you can say 2 mangoes left. But now, if you eat all 3 mangoes, and then I ask you how many mangoes left with you, you will say, teacher, nothing is left with me. The list of natural numbers cannot display this nothing. One Indian mathematician, Aryabhatta, found solution to this problem. He introduced a new symbol for nothing left and he called it as zero. He represented it with the symbol of zero. The set of all natural numbers together with zero is the set of whole numbers. By adding 0, we thought that now our list is complete. Hence, we started calling the list as a whole numbers. Whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 1000, 10 crore, this list never ends. What we have learned? Natural numbers. Numbers used to count things around like 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole numbers. Numbers used to count things around along with 0 like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Though invention of 0 was great achievement, it was not enough. Let's move. Sometimes we need to use some other numbers which are not the list of whole numbers. Look at this table. It displays temperature of different cities in all 3 seasons. The first one is Mumbai. In summer, it's 34 degree to 38 Celsius. In monsoon, 26 degree to 33 degree Celsius. In winter, is 24 degree to 31 Celsius. In Nagpur, in summer season, is the 38 degree to 46 degree Celsius. In monsoon, 32 degree to 35 degree Celsius. In winter, is 28 degree to 30 degree Celsius. Srinagar city, in summer, 11 degree to 24 degree Celsius. In the monsoon, 8 degree to 17 degrees Celsius. In winter, it is below 0 to 6 degrees Celsius. How to represent the numbers which are less than 0? We follow the following rules to read these numbers. We put a minus sign before numbers which are less than 0. These numbers are called negative numbers. Numbers which are greater than 0 are called positive numbers. The plus sign is generally not written before positive numbers. However, it is necessary to write the minus sign of a negative number. 0 does not have any sign. Integers. Positive numbers 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers called the group of integers. See this picture. In the lift, ground floor is number 0. The floors below ground floor are numbered as -1, -2. You can see alongside with this picture. Showing integers on the number line. See this is number line. The point on a number line which is marked 0 is called the origin. On the left and right of 0, points are marked at equal distances. The numbers shown by points on the right side are positive numbers, and those shown by points on the left side are called negative numbers. Let's do the practice. Question number 1. Classify the following numbers as the positive numbers and negative numbers. The numbers are -5, +4, -2, 7, +26, -49, -37, 19, -25, +8, 5, -4, -12 and 27. These are the numbers. So let's do. Positive numbers are +4, 7, +26, 19, +8, 27. In the positive numbers, sometimes we put the symbol of plus before the number or sometimes not. That means the +4 or only 7, both are the positive numbers. Negative numbers are -5, -2, -49, -37, -25, -4, -12. These all are the negative numbers. Question number 2. Given below are the temperature in some cities. Write them using the proper signs. In the bracket you can see that there is the place and the temperature of the cities. The first one is Shimla and the temperature is 7 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. Leh 12 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. Delhi 22 degrees Celsius above 0 degree and the Nagpur is 31 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. Now look at the answers. First one Shimla is the -7 degree Celsius. Leh -12 degrees Celsius. Delhi is the 22 degrees Celsius and Nagpur is the 31 degree Celsius. Write the numbers in the following examples using the proper signs. 1. A submarine is at the depth of 512 meters below the sea level. Now see the answer is the -512 meters. Question second. The height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in the Himalayas, is 8848 meters. And the answer is plus 8848 meters. Question number 3. A kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground. And the answer is plus 120 meters. Question number 4. The tunnel is at a depth of 2 meters under the ground. And the answer is minus 2 meters. I hope you like our video. If you have any query, please comment or DM to Instagram. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.